How to avoid a curveball in your business. Sometimes we can feel like we're being thrown a curveball. I had a client recently was thrown a $19,000 tax bill that he unexpectedly received. Now, the trouble is, there's no such thing as an unexpected curveball. There's only a lack of planning. If you are tracking your numbers effectively and you know you're making revenue, you should know what your tax liability is and be putting that aside each month. But that alone isn't enough. If you have a solid strategy for getting consistent clients, that means that money's coming into the business constantly. Then even if you do get a 20 grand tax bill, if you've got money coming in, it shouldn't actually derail you at all. I had a situation last year where there was an issue with my rent. I got landed with a $30,000 rent bill, but it wasn't an issue because I had money set aside and we were able to cover it. So proper financial planning, but also a really solid sales strategy will keep the business rolling in, and there will be no such thing as a curveball in your life ever again.